How to connect Instagram with Facebook. So go ahead and open your Instagram application. Go to your profile tab by clicking on the profile icon on the lower right corner of the screen. Once you're here, tap on the three lines icon on the top and select Settings and Privacy. In here, select Account Center. And as you can see, here are my accounts that is connected to the Facebook. Now go to Facebook, click on the Menu tab, tap on the gear icon. It's on the upper right corner of the screen. This will take you to the settings page, and in here, scroll down till you find Accounts Center. Tap on the first button and this will show you all the accounts connected to your Facebook account. As you can see, I have two in here, and to add, just click on Add More Accounts. Your accounts logged in into your device will then show, so I'll just choose the Instagram one. Now click on Continue, and after confirming, your Instagram account will now be connected to your Facebook account. So that is how to connect Instagram with Facebook. Do let us know if this video helped you out, and if you have any question, feel free to drop them down below. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.